Now, this camper right here was either designed by a woman or a man who really loves his wife. Come on, let's go take a look inside. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video on RVer Life. This is a travel trailer floor plan layout that I have never really seen before. In the 7 years, I've been filming RV tours with over 1,000 tours on this channel. I have never seen something quite like this. This is the 2026 KZ Connect 333 RLK. You can see it's about a $45,000 camper right here. It has opposing slide outs in the living room area. Let me zoom the camera out a little bit so we can get a better look at the frame. You've got a TV outside and a mini fridge outside as well. Down underneath, you can see the power stabilizers. There's a ladder to get up onto the roof back here. It's a tandem axle travel trailer, and it's a big one, probably around 37 to 38 feet long. It comes with 2 awnings on the outside. One awning goes all the way to the back wall, covers your slide out, and extends to the other side of the door. Then there's another awning on this side. So you're getting full wall awning coverage, and that is wildly impressive. It's built on a BAL NextG frame, which means it's an American-made frame with a lot of huck bolt fasteners. Before we head inside, let's quickly go over the specs. This camper has a gross vehicle weight rating of 10,730 pounds and a cargo carrying capacity of about 15-20 pounds. That puts the dry weight somewhere around 9,200 pounds. So this is going to be suitable for a 3/4 ton truck. It's big, and as we step inside, you'll notice a solid entry step. It also comes with a 2-year base warranty, while most campers only give you 1 year. There's some extra equipment on here like a screen defender if you have pets, and a screen shot, so the screen door closes on its own behind you. No shade is installed on the window though, so that's something you'd have to add yourself if you want it. Right when we walk in, we've got a huge living area. But what's really impressive, and you probably saw it in the thumbnail, is the bedroom and bathroom area. We'll get to that in a minute because that's definitely what stands out the most in this camper. Already, I'm loving what I'm seeing. This isn't the highest end camper out there, but it definitely sits in that solid mid-tier range, a large mid-tier travel trailer. I love that they're using residential air filters in the air conditioners, one of the only brands doing that. And you've got 2 AC units in the living room space, both of which are very quiet. Then we have this awesome little coffee bar area, perfect for an air fryer or instant pot. Plenty of countertop real estate to plug in small appliances, and great storage to tuck them away when you're not using them. This is a cuddle-friendly sofa with 2.5 cushions. Both sides recline and have lights in the cup holders. It also has a heat and massage function. I wouldn't get too excited about the massage. It's mostly just vibration, kind of gimmicky, but it's there if you like it. There's an outlet with USB-A and USB-C ports. And this middle part can flip up so you can sit cuddle style. Or if you have kids later, they can sit right between you. There's a little bar stool here, and that's pretty much the whole living and kitchen area. Let's head back to the bedroom and bathroom, because this is where this camper really starts to shine. Right when you walk in, you've got the control panel. And look at this, y'all, a pass-through bathroom with a full-body mirror on the door. A lot of ladies look for this in every camper, and this one has the best full-body mirror I've ever seen. You can literally see your entire self, which is huge when you want to check how you look before heading out. You've got a sliding pocket door going into the bedroom with an east-to-west bed. But first, the bathroom. There's a rack to hang towels, a porcelain foot flush toilet, and a sink. The one thing missing is great countertop space in the bathroom. If this had better countertop space, I would give this floor plan a 10 out of 10. Because of that, I'm giving it a 9 out of 10. Everything else, though, is fantastic. Good storage underneath the sink, and a medicine cabinet above. The ceiling height in here is excellent, taller than many travel trailers. Even in the shortest parts, you've got clearance for at least 6'4" or 6'5" before ducking. The bedroom doorway is a little shorter, around 6'2". The shower is in this big slide out, so you get tons of space. The shower itself is a nice, large plastic two-piece unit. The shower head sits high. It has a flexible curtain and there's a skylight above. When I step in, the ceiling height goes up to about 6'3" at the shortest point, so taller folks up to 6'7" can stand comfortably under the shower head. No complaints on the shower at all. Now the bedroom, king-size bed, another full body mirror, storage, and a TV already installed. There's a little get-ready mirror with countertop space right here, a dedicated get-ready area. I really like that feature. I understand why they kept it a bit short for walk-through space, but I do wish it extended just a little more for extra room and storage. And there are the switches for the power stabilizers. That's just about everything on this KZ Connect 333 RLK. I'm really curious what you think about this travel trailer. Let me know down in the comments. Would you consider this one? Especially the wives and girlfriends watching. How do you feel about this layout? That's all I've got for y'all today. Until next time, safe travels and keep exploring this beautiful country. See you in the next video on RVer Life.